Alright, let's start talking styling. We're going to start with body shape. Are you ready? Let's go. The different female body shapes are the hourglass, the pear, the rectangle, the inverted triangle, the diamond/apple. It's important to know how to identify your client's body shape. If you don't know how to identify your client's body shape, then you cannot style them appropriately. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's go. What you need to do, you need a tape measure to measure the upper torso, the waist, hips and bum. So the hourglass is the proportion shape. She has symmetrical shoulders and hips, full and shapely bust, a defined waist and shapely legs. The pear. The pear is very similar to the hourglass, but however, her upper body is slightly narrower than her lower body. She has symmetrical shoulders and hips, full and shapely bust, a defined waist, and shapely legs. The rectangle woman. The rectangle woman is very similar as well to the hourglass. The only difference is that she doesn't have a defined waist definition. Symmetrical shoulders and hips, muscular arms and legs, average breast and defined waist, and balanced figure. The inverted triangle is the opposite of the pear. The pear, where she's broader on the hips and bum, the inverted triangle is broader on the shoulders and top. So, broad shoulders, as I say, great arms, average or full bust, undefined waist, and narrow hips. The diamond apple tend to carry weight around her midsection. Diamond apple, broad shoulders, small to full bust, tummy, narrow hips, flat rear end, shapely legs, and defined waist.